Whether you are a dedicated steam enthusiast, a vintage tractor fan, or someone who is simply concerned for the well-being of our planet, you will find something of interest here. Guests are able to drive bulldozers, steam locomotives, tractors, military vehicles, a vintage bus, traction engines, steamrollers, a veteran fire engine, and much more. Holes are dug, fields plowed, and trains are run. Passengers are carried and fires put out.
This is separating the grain. It's now been thrashed up the top there. The straw's been blown out the back. You can see it that side there. And now the grain is being sorted. The good quality grain's coming out this end. And then that end is the smaller shriveled grains and the broken grains. And right on the end there's the very, very fine stuff that you would only feed to the hens or something.
With an open back to her cab, the Sandy locomotive is extremely popular with passengers, as they can observe the crew at work, almost as good as being on the footplate. Surprisingly powerful for her small size, Sandy is quite capable of pulling short passenger or freight trains and has a pleasant beat.
Thank you for watching. If you haven't already, please consider subscribing and hit the bell down below to be notified when we upload new videos. Thank you for your support.